Okay, it keeps on getting better. This trim system right here is not going to work on this motor. We'll show you why when those rams hit the inside of this right here, so it doesn't go down far enough when you're trying to trim it down to start it up. This uses a single ram system that they call the racing ram, and it's just got one single ram with no two sides. So I'm going to go ahead and trim her down. That's as far down as it's going. And back up, show how far. So I don't think that's going to work. But anyway, that right there, the ram, the side rams, it's actually bent in. I probably hadn't been the one to do it, but you can see it's bent in right there. And that's because that ram that's not supposed to be there is hitting the motor mount. But that's where we are.